This is the second page of your 2.5 notes. We got to finish talking about people in jail. So, what if there is stuff outside the absolute value bars? Well, if you live in perfect math land, we're going to say that you need to isolate the absolute value. But because we live in the real world, we're going to say we're going to make all the visitors leave. So, if you're in jail, like this poor little C guy right here is in jail, he cannot get out until the people visiting him leave. So if you see that +2 is visiting. So how do I make a +2 leave? I subtract him. 12 minus 2, that marks out. Then I'm left with a C equals 10. Okay, he doesn't have any visitors. There's no one on this side, there's no one on that side. So that means he can get out. When you get out of jail, you have two choices. You can be positive or you can be negative. So that's your answer. C can be -10 or C can be 10. All right, let's look up here at number 10. This little guy, he has a -8 visiting him. So before he can get out of jail, the visitor has to leave. So -5 plus 8. So absolute value of y equals 3. Okay, I got nobody left on this side, nobody left on that side, means he can get out of jail. When he gets out of jail, he has two choices. He can be positive or he can be negative. So those are really easy. Let's look at this one, number 11. He's got one visitor. He's got that 6 visiting. The way I move that 6, what's going on between the 6 and the absolute value of x? It's being multiplied, so I have to divide. So now I have the absolute value of 6 equals 4. When he gets out of jail, he has two choices. He can be positive or he can be negative. So he can be -4 or +4. All right, let's look at number 12. This guy's visiting, so he needs to leave before I can do anything. How do I move that -2 times that absolute value? I divide. So now I have z plus 3, he's still in jail though, equals 14 divided by -2 is a 7. Now, remember yesterday, if Z went into jail with $3, when he gets out of jail, he comes out with his $3. So now is when I divide it into two problems. Z plus 3 equals 7 if he's positive when he gets out. Z plus 3 equals -7 if he's a baddie when he gets out. Now I have to solve these two separate problems. I'm going to subtract 3. I get Z equals 4. Subtract 3. I get Z equals -10. So your two answers are -10 and 4. Let's look at number 13. I got this 6 over here that's visiting. I know that this bar means divide. Opposite of divide is multiply. So now I have 2w minus 4, that's still in jail, equals 18. There's no other visitors now. None right there, none right there. So now I can get out of jail. He went into jail with the 2w minus 4, so that's how he has to get out of jail. He has two choices. He can be good or he can be bad. He can be positive 18 or he can be -18. Now I need to solve these. So just first look at this problem right here. I'm going to add the 4. And I get 2w equals 22. And then I divide by 2. And I get w equals 11 for that problem. Now let's do the same thing to this one. Add 4. 2w equals negative 14. Divide by 2. W equals negative 7. So my solution set for this is negative 7, 11. All right, we're going to do number 14. We got 2 visitors. We got the negative 10 and the minus 3. First, we need to get that 3 to go away. So let's add 3 to both sides. So now I got the negative 10. He's still there. H plus 5 equals negative 80. All right. I still have this negative 10 visitor, so he needs to go away. I'm going to divide by 10. Divide by negative 10. So now I got H plus 5 equals 8. I don't have anybody visiting here, and I don't have anybody visiting here. That means it's time to come out of jail and make good choices or bad choices. H plus 5 is going to equal positive 8, or H plus 5 can equal a negative 8. I'm going to subtract 5, and H can be 3. Subtract 5, that's a 5, and the H can be negative 13. So that would be your solution set, negative 13 and 3. I'm just going to walk you through these steps real quick too. So the first thing that has to go away is the 6. 4n plus 8 equals 112. Now the 7 has to go away. Then I get 4n plus 8 equals 18. And now is when I can split this into 2 problems. 4n plus 8, positive 18. 4n plus 8 is negative 18. And then I would just solve that and finish it out the rest of the way and get my 2 answers. Let's talk for just 1 second about special cases. If you are in jail and there are no visitors and it's time to get out of jail, but they know that you are already negative, you are going to make bad choices, they can't let you out of jail. There is no solution if it's already negative. Okay? So let's solve this. I've got this negative 3 I'm going to have to divide because he's a visitor. And I'm left with 2x plus 1, still an absolute value, or in jail, equals negative 7. My answer right here is negative. When he gets out of jail, he is definitely going to recommit a crime because he is a bad baddie. So I can't let him out of jail. There is no solution for that. So what I am trying to say is if all the visitors are gone and the answer is negative, then there is no solution. All right, I want you to flip over to the 4th page, and I need you to do 4 problems for me for practice. On this page, I need you to do 10, 11, 12, and 14. Turn it in to me, and that's what you missed today.